My practice started with being interested in interiors and how they can reflect the personality of a fictional character. So I found myself on a rainy Sunday afternoon sitting in front of the TV watching old Hitchcock movies and realizing this is just what I'm looking for. So I started to isolate the film stills I was interested in and combine them with my own interior shots. So in this exhibition I've been using film stills taken from Marnie because they very much reflect for me the idea of Marnie is changing personalities all the time. Thinking about creating and changing personalities, I had the idea that I could also be using images taken from a music video, in this case from a David Bowie music video, and it's also the case for this work. The images also have a back side, which I do by cutting into the front side, sliding in a piece of paper, and these papers marked to be the starting point for the collage that's on the back side. In other images, the back side turned out to be the front side. And this is what the title Duplications and Differences refers to.